Sycophant. Sycophant is a noun. It means someone who flatters powerful people for personal gain. We use it to describe a person who's overly obedient to get favor. Examples: he's just a sycophant, always praising the boss. It feels fake and desperate. Sycophants surrounded the celebrity. They agreed with everything she said. She disliked sycophants who only acted nice for rewards. They weren't genuine friends. A synonym for sycophant is flatterer. The antonym is critic. Have you ever spotted a sycophant pretending to be loyal? Feigning. Feigning is a verb. It means pretending to feel or be something you're not. We use it when someone fakes an emotion or action. Examples: she was feigning interest in the conversation, but her mind was clearly elsewhere. He feigned sleep to avoid talking. He didn't want to engage. The actor feigned surprise during the prank. He already knew it was coming. A synonym for feigning is pretending. The antonym is genuine. Have you ever caught someone feigning their reaction? Wary. Wary is an adjective. It means cautious or alert, especially when there's potential danger. We use it when someone is careful about what might go wrong. Examples: she was wary of strangers in the dark alley. Her instincts told her to stay alert. He gave a wary look before signing the deal. Something didn't feel right. The cat was wary of the new dog. It kept its distance. A synonym for wary is cautious. The antonym is careless. When was the last time you felt truly wary of something? Engross. Engross is a verb. It means to completely capture someone's attention. We use it when someone is deeply absorbed in something. Examples: he was engrossed in the novel. He didn't even hear his phone ring. She got engrossed in painting for hours. Time just flew by. The kids were engrossed in the movie. They didn't even move. A synonym for engross is absorb. The antonym is distract. What's something that always engrosses you completely?